Here's how to administer your exosome eye drop treatment. First, some important instructions are you'll receive 3 labeled eyedroppers containing a total of 5 milliliters of exosomes. The eyedroppers will be stored in the freezer and removed one at a time for use. On the first day of treatment, remove one of the eyedropper vials from your freezer and let it thaw for 15 to 30 minutes on your counter and write the date removed from the freezer on the bottle. When administering these eye drops, it is best if someone is assisting you. Tilt your head back and look up. Pull lower eyelid away from the eyeball. You'll squeeze in 1 drop into that pocket. And for at least 1 minute, you'll close your eye and press your finger lightly on your tear duct. This keeps the eye drop from draining into your eye. Now use the following protocol on how to administer each eye drop. First, you'll administer 1 drop in each eye upon waking. Administer 1 more drop in each eye 2 hours later. Later in the evening, you will administer 1 drop in each eye. 2 hours later, you will administer another drop in each eye. You'll repeat this protocol until all 3 dropper bottles are empty and all exosome liquid is used up. Each day, you will be administering 4 drops in each eye for a total of 8 drops a day. The eyedropper you are currently using is stored in the refrigerator until used up and will remain potent for up to 10 days. If you have any questions about administration or general questions, feel free to give us a call at 949-600-5100.